How to stop sharing accounts on Instagram. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into settings and privacy and then head over to account center. Here scroll all the way down and you'll find the option of accounts. Click on it. Well, you can see different other accounts is connected to your Instagram account. In order to stop sharing accounts on Instagram, simply tap on remove. And then click on remove account at the very top. Tap on continue. Once again tap on yes remove. And there you can see that this account has been successfully removed. Similarly, you can remove this account too. Well, this account has also been removed. So that's it, and this is simply how you can stop sharing accounts on Instagram. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.